to be in the kitchen. Anyway, we want to make you some lovely Jamaican or good cornmeal dumpling, and you can serve it whenever you like to serve it. And hopefully you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe my channel and leave your comments below, and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you so much to tune in. I love the welcome back again. It's just crazy, guys. It's crazy. Every time I make Jamaican dumpling, I say to myself, but I have to put it on my YouTube channel because I represent Jamaica. Look in my bowl. See that? Cornmeal, flour, all-purpose flour. You can use all the wheat flour, guys. I'm gonna make some dumpling next time with some all the wheat dumpling. But look, we're gonna make some Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, all tablet, all wheelbarrow, construction site. The masterpiece, the Jamaican dumpling. Look at this. Basically, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour inside of my bowl right here, and a cup of cornmeal. And all I'm going to do, I got gloves on. I love to make dumpling in rubber gloves like this. If you doesn't want, make sure your nails them clean and nice and make your dumpling. No long fingernail, long all the way out there to make Jamaican dumpling. You're gonna embarrass us. Please make sure your hand clean and nice. The only reason why I have on the gloves because I love to make dumpling in gloves, and I learned something new from it. So from that I start to just make it this way. You don't have to put on these kind of food gloves to make the dumpling. You can use a hand. All you need to do is to make sure you doesn't have any long fingernail and your nails them doesn't black, because you're gonna embarrass us. Alright, please guys, if you know you're not gonna be able to do that, don't make the Jamaican dumpling. Alright, so right here, rub up the cornmeal and the flour together like this for about a second. I love to make dumpling with the gloves. I learned something new, and from the time I learned it, I just continue making it. Next thing, we're gonna put a pinch of salt. You don't have to put salt. Give it a nice lovely form up the dough like this, the flour on the cornmeal inside of it, lovely and nice. So just work it together, and also the salt gonna be inside of it. Look at that, beautiful. All right, the next thing, right in the center right here, we're gonna use some cold tap water. We're gonna pour a little bit down in it. And then we're going to add a little bit more. So little by little. Then a little bit more. A little bit more water. So basically just keep adding a little bit of water until it form a dough. Then what you do, yeah? Just dip the gloves in the water like this, and dip it one more time. Lovely and nice. So you're gonna be kneading it now. See that? Use the dough, clean out the ball. We're gonna clean out the ball. Rub the ball get out all these little white bits and pieces in there. I mean, when you're gonna wash the ball, you don't have anything inside supposed to be clean. Alright. Need it for about 5 minutes. A little bit of strength. Please don't use a glass ball like what I'm doing. That's because I'm a video shooting and I'm showing it. So basically use a plastic ball. Alright? If you want to, and if you have a good strong one like mine, that's fine. Alright. Alright. Guys. So ball must clean and nice, alright? Then after you do all of those hard work, what you're going to do is get your cling film and just wrap it, seal it tight. Leave the dough to rest for about 15 minutes. Alright? So that's what you want. You want the dough to be rest for 15 minutes. 1-5, not 50, 1-5 or 20 minutes. Longer it is the better for the dough. So put that one side. Nice and lovely. Just take the cling film from it. About 25 minutes now, have it like this. Put it down. Oh, it feels so good. Nice one. So basically what we're gonna do now, make some dumpling. Alright? So wheelbarrow dumpling. Alright, nice one. Nice pot over here with some water. So we're just gonna make the dumpling them and pop them in it like this. And we're gonna cook them for about 20 minutes. Nice one. Nice and lovely. So I just finished all the dumpling, and basically you can pop a little bit of salt if you like in it, then you can just leave it as it, make it boil. These dumplings cook for about 20 minutes. Alright? Slightly cover the pot and leave that for cook for 20 minutes. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, that's the Jamaican cornmeal dumpling right over there. Finished, done and dusted. Basically you can serve it whatever you like to serve it with. You can serve it with some fried up saltfish or stewed chicken or whatever you like to serve it with. It's up to you. Curry chicken, but just looking lovely and nice. Thank you so much to tune into my show. As you can see, that's the Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, all good food. Some people call them wheelbarrow. Construction site. As you can see, they're looking lovely and nice. Thank you so much to tune into my show, and we got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming your way. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team. Jamaican cornmeal dumpling, done and dusted. 20 minutes in a day, but 25 to 30 minutes everything will be taken to make this one. Full recipe will be on the YouTube channel, guys. Oh, look at that, boy. Nice and lovely. Jamaican art food.